hosting events, booking appointments, or sharing schedules with a non-English speaking audience? With AddEvent design templates, you can easily update the native language of buttons, messages, and labels. This gives attendees a seamless experience in their native language, helping you to build trust, making your events very accessible, and align your events with regional campaigns. In this video, we'll show you how to make all of these updates so that no matter where your attendees are joining from, they feel right at home. Let's get into it. On the dashboard, please pick the calendar that you would like to localize. And first, let's see what the landing page looks like currently by scrolling down the page and opening the landing page in a new tab. As you can see on the current landing page, which is using the default template, there's elements of the button and messages and labels that are currently in English, and we would want to localize those for our regional campaign. So let's go back to the calendar page. You can make changes to a calendar landing page by creating a new design that you can apply to this calendar or any other calendars in the future. So go ahead and click Create Design. On this page, you can create a template that you can use for any of your calendar landing pages. To start, please enter a name for this template. Hit Create Design. As you can see, there's 4 tabs on the top of this page. The ones that you want to focus on are the page elements and subscriber form elements. The page elements tab has a lot of fields that you can expand. And when you see text in English in any of these fields, you can update these fields with different words in the language that you have for the campaign. When you make changes to these fields, they automatically reflect on the right-hand side, which shows an example of the template. So let's go ahead and let's do a few together. For example, this says read more. Let's change it. And let's see how it's reflecting the change on the preview. I change the follow button calendar. And again, you see it automatically reflect on the preview of this template. So if you want to change all of the words here, please go expand all of the fields and make the changes. And please hit save. If you're using a form on your landing page for your calendar, you would want to change all the information on this tab and localize it as well. So for example, and hit Save Design. Right, now that you've created a new template for your calendar landing page, let's go back to the dashboard. Please pick the calendar that you want to use and scroll down to where it says Design. And in this field now, you can pick the template that you just created. I picked this one because this is the one that I created prior to show you what it looks like. Open the link in a new template, and here you can see that on the calendar landing page, all of the elements now are localized in the language that I used in my calendar design template. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to support at our email address support@addevent.com or follow this YouTube channel for more